First we need a Ziploc bag, 2 cardboards, 1 black marker, 1 paper cutter, a tape, 1 scissor. These are the colors we made in previous video and the link is in description box. Now here I'll be drawing the maple leaf on this cardboard with the help of a marker. You can draw any shape or any object you want to. After completing the drawing, we are going to cut the shape with the help of a paper cutter. And this step should be done carefully because the cardboard is really hard and it can harm your finger. So after cutting all the parts of the maple leaf, now I'm going to take out the cutout from this carefully. You can see how nicely it came out. After this, we are going to place a Ziploc bag over it and we are going to tape the boundaries so that it does not move here and there. We are going to tape it nicely. From 3 sides only. The upper side and the opening side should be remain like this only. We are going to tape it later. Now we are going to place the another cardboard over the Ziploc and we are going to tape it again from the 3 sides only to lock the Ziploc bag inside the cardboard. After securing them with the tape, we are going to put all the colors in the Ziploc bag carefully so that it does not spills out. Now from the opening side of the Ziploc, we are going to pour all the colors that we made in the previous video. I'm sending all the details in the description box and you can see the video. Here first I am pouring some yellow color. This process should be done very carefully as we have to be very careful that it does not goes on the cardboard. Next I am going to put some red color and a little bit of green color to give it an effect of autumn leaves which are dried orangish brownish color. Now we are going to secure it from the top with a tape. And here we go, the color mix is ready for your child and you can give this activity to your child. He's definitely going to enjoy a lot. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like and share the videos. Thank you so much.